Hello, friends. Welcome. Today we're visiting Queen Park Social. This place has a little of everything. The venue isn't as large as I thought it would be, but there's still plenty to do. There are 3 bars, this one being the center bar with about 3 bartenders. Unfortunately, you still will have to wait a little while for a drink though. There's plenty of seating, and there's also food service. Pause the menu if you want to take a look at the menu choices. The bowling alley here is very popular, so you want to make sure you go to their website and make reservations. It looks like so much fun. I like the way they set up the couches. You might even make a new friend or have some friendly competition. Either or. She has good form. Here's where you return your bowling shoes and pick up your bowling shoes. Here's our first of 2 patios. Sit back and relax in the sun, or sit under the shade and cool down. There's a couple of TVs out here if you want to watch. This day was pretty hot, so the patios weren't so popular. The arcade was, though. It was buzzing. They have a special system here where you use a machine to get a game credit card. I assume you use the card to get credits to play the game. But I didn't use the credit card. I wasn't playing games this day. Here's our second bar that's in the arcade area. If the center bar is very busy, I would go to this arcade bar. And here we are at our second patio. It's a little bit of grass, even if it is artificial. We also have some cornhole games. And for some reason, I always think of Beavis and Butthead every time I say the word cornhole. And there's a huge sign letting everyone know where the venue is, so it's hard to miss. We're coming up on those machines where you get your game credit card, and they're right there in the white. This place is really popular on the weekend. It's a great place if you're wanting to just hang out with friends, go out on a double date, or you might want to try to get to know somebody on a first date. If you're not wanting to do anything like that, and just a bunch of single guys or girls, they do have a lounge that's open from 9 p.m. to 2 a.m. with a DJ. Thank you for joining me at Queen Park Social. Till we meet again. Thanks. Bye-bye.